PlayToEarn to promote the development of multi-chain. GameFi will be the next big wave. In July of this year, the market share of blockchain games increased significantly, occupying a more obvious position in the industry. The number of active wallets in this field increased by 121%, reaching 804,000 users. The success of PlayToEarn games is a positive signal for the entire blockchain industry. Compared with DeFi or NFT, which focuses on a few blockchains, the industry is represented by different blockchains. NFT's participation in game dApp has had a positive impact on the field, and the rise of NFT is expected to continue. According to DeFi's July industry report, Binance Smart Chain is the most used blockchain, with more than 658,000 users in July. Part of the success can be attributed to the BSC ecosystem. That includes games for earning while playing. Wax is a blockchain focused on games and NFT, ranking second with 336,000 users, while Ethereum ranked third with 105,000 users. The success of PlayToEarn games has had a positive and important impact on the blockchain, and this sport is also becoming one of the main foundations of the blockchain industry. For example, Axie Infinity broke records in multiple categories and made headlines in mainstream media. The game of play and earn is also creating microeconomics. Everyone has the opportunity to earn passive income by playing blockchain games. With the mature development of experienced DeFi players and NFT projects, the field of blockchain games may be the key to the ultimate realization of large-scale applications. Key points. 1. GameFi showed more obvious signs of growth, with a 121% increase in users compared to June. 2. BSC attracted more than 391,000 users in July, a month-on-month increase of 2,460%. 3. Wax and EOS followed closely with 319,000 and 49,000 game users, respectively. These figures have increased by 7% and 48% from the previous month. 4. Axie has become the most valuable NFT collection ever, with a transaction volume of more than $1 billion and $600 million in July. 5. CryptoBlades challenged Alien Worlds to become the most played game of all protocols. The BSC game attracted more than 316,000 users in July, and generated more than $4.3 million in transaction volume. 6. Compared with June, the usage of Alien Worlds and Upland increased by 7% and 52%, respectively. Wax and EOS directly benefited. 7. Usage of Hive's Splinterlands has skyrocketed, and the game attracted more than 26,000 users in July, an increase of 204% from the previous month. 8. Virtual lands between different meta-universes increased their value. A piece of Sandbox land was sold at a price of $863,000, and part of the Axie land was traded for more than $500,000. PlayToEarn promotes the development of the blockchain industry. The GameFi industry is having a strong impact on the entire industry. In July, more than 804,000 users connected to the chain game smart contract, which is an increase of 121% compared to June. Not only has the popularity of the gaming industry more than doubled from last month, but its performance has also surpassed the two most important pillars of the blockchain industry. Despite the recent surge in the popularity of NFT and the consolidation of the DeFi space, the gaming industry is driving value in the form of usage. In recent months, players all over the world seem to have finally realized the true potential of blockchain and its integration with games. The number of users has grown exponentially. It is really meaningful to make a positive impact on people's lives while making money. Axie Infinity continues to set new records. Axie Infinity continues to dominate in a field that continues to welcome new users. Despite the technical problem that thousands of players cannot access the gaming platform, the game not only maintained its huge usage, but also increased significantly. Currently, Axie has more than 1 million players every day. In addition, in July, Axie became the most valuable NFT collection ever, with a net transaction volume of more than $830 million. This Ronin-based game hit a new high in July. It generated more than $600 million in sales. Compared with the already strong data in June, July was increased 453%. BSC is keen on gaming. During this year, Binance Smart Chain consolidated its position as one of the top blockchains in the industry. In short, BSC has become the most commonly used protocol in the industry, with an average of more than 650,000 users per day in July. BSC previously relied mainly on DeFi dApp and NFT to achieve success, but in recent weeks, the game has made greater progress. The usage of BSC increased by 2,460% from June. BSC games drove more than 391,000 users on average, accounting for about 60% of the network traffic. Currently, CryptoBlades has attracted more than 350,000 daily users, ranking third in the game category and second in the BSC, second only to PancakeSwap. The game had a staggering 75 million transactions in July. Perhaps it is because of its simple internal game mechanics that this game is so popular. In addition, CryptoBlades plans to enhance its current mechanism by adding PvP battles and special weapon drops. In addition to CryptoBlades, other games launched in the Binance Smart Chain also performed well. My DeFi Pet, a game dApp that allows users to breed digital pets, has been very popular in the past few weeks. The game attracted more than 32,900 users in July, an increase of 668% from the previous month. Although the game is not finished yet, it has received a lot of attention recently. Once the game is nearly complete, it is expected that this trend will continue to rise. For the entire blockchain industry, successful cases of play-to-earn are a positive signal. The combination of NFT and games is also worthy of close attention, because it is expected that the rise of NFT will continue to ferment.